What's up, YouTube? It is April 11th, and let's jump into a review of some trades I took today. So, as many of you I'm sure are aware of, the markets have been an absolute mess lately. As you can see, we're kind of stuck in this range where we're seeing swings to the upside, the downside, and taking a look here at the 65-minute chart. The market is literally just back and forth every day. In my time trading, I haven't really seen many environments where it is this volatile, this back and forth. So while it can be a pretty tough environment to, make headway in, there are some what I can call, diamonds in the rough. There is still money in the market being allocated to certain stocks, and despite the mess in, the main, the sectors, the main FANG stocks, the things that everybody's trading, if you can have the willingness to look elsewhere, there are opportunities, guys, in this market. One of my favorite things to do is what I call sector analysis, and basically I just look at all the major sector ETFs, such as XLE, which is the energy sector, and I look for increases in volume. Now, guys, this is something that can be done in about 5 minutes per day. It does not take much effort to see if there's an increase in volume coming into any given sector. And, Focus Trades team and I, we notice energy, nice consolidation here while the rest of the market is getting torn apart on super low volume. And when this volume started to come in, especially over here on the 65-minute chart, that's the kind of thing you want to be placing your bets in a volatile market. Forget, the Apples, the Googles, forget the stocks everybody is looking at all day long. Focus on where the money is going, guys. You will stay consistently profitable if you can follow the money. So, there was thousands of dollars made in our chat room today from XLE alone, but one thing you guys can do is look through my prior videos. I have a few videos on sector analysis where I go into more detail on this, but when a sector moves, guys, by default, so do the stocks that make up that sector. So what I did yesterday before the close was take a position in HP, energy name, and as you guys can see, this is what I constantly look for. Large increases in volume, that's what pushes a price higher. It's a simple game of supply and demand, guys, and often when you get that kind of volume on day one, it carries over to day two. So took my entry here yesterday, and this baby popped up here at the open and stayed strong all day. So I'm up about 35-40% on the options calls that I bought for HP, and I plan to hold those at least, for tomorrow. However, if we do gap up higher here, I will definitely be looking to sell those and book that profit. Another trade of mine today, not necessarily an energy name, but same picture here, guys. Beautiful consolidation here in NBR on low volume, and then suddenly you have increases of volume coming in. And again, take a look at the 65-minute chart. Volume like that, guys, sticks out like a sore thumb. Excuse me. For those of you new traders who aren't really familiar with what volume is, it's these bars right here, and it's basically just a measurement of how much money is entering that stock on that given bar. Now, trading, guys, is a game of supply and demand. When a demand for an asset increases, the price of said given asset increases as well. So demand increasing, more money coming into the stock means more investors are gobbling up shares of that stock. And that's what pushes prices higher. Again, you look through my older videos, you're going to see some great ones on volume. Took a position here early this morning, and it turned out to go strong all day. I believe I'm up about, to be honest, I'm not even sure when I'm up on this one, maybe 20-30%. And a lot of the guys in our group today, in our chat room, were able to bank some nice profits on this as well. So simple things you can do, guys, in a choppy market environment. Again, take a look here at the S&P 500. Very choppy, very low volume, and very volatile. It's back and forth. Kind of hard to dictate a direction. But if you can simply have a willingness to follow the money, you can catch some nice, profitable, smooth trades in this environment. Now, guys, I really urge you to check out focustrades.com. We have training materials, chat rooms, morning watch list, nightly reviews such as this, as well as our chat room with real-time signals. Come learn options, guys. It's a whole different way of trading. It'll really open your mind to a whole new level of possibilities. Now, if you're not familiar with what options are, in plain English, they're a very leveraged way to trade your favorite stocks. So, for example, HP up 2.5% today, but my options increased by about 30-40% in value today. So, obviously, a lot more money to be made with lower risk in options. So again, focustrades.com. We got a team of about 200 plus traders in our chat room, all day long working together, helping each other out, throwing out setups and suggestions, and it's more so like a family than anything. So you can check that out, guys. You want to come and work with us. And again, despite the choppiness in the overall market, if you can follow the money, you can catch profitable trades regardless of the environment.